Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can earn money by staking your cryptocurrencies on the OKEx app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the OKEx, then go to the home page, and at the home page, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see this section in the intro to crypto section. I want to earn and get rewards with my crypto. It's the third menu in this section, and when you tap on it, it's going to open up the earning page. Don't just hold your crypto, earn with it. Stake, lend, and earn passive income with your crypto and see it grow over time. So that sounds pretty good. Then just tap on start earning. OKEx earn. Don't just hold your crypto, earn. So here are all the earning possibilities. As you can see, you can earn 0.46% with Bitcoin, 9% with Ethereum, and even 102% with the boring coin. Here you can read more at the frequently asked questions, and when you decide on the crypto that you want to earn with, you just tap on it. So you choose the crypto and you can subscribe in these different chains. And as you can see, project flow, stake Ethereum, stake at least 0.1 Ethereum, earn returns. OKEx issues is BET as the staking proof at ratio of 1.1. The staking return will be distributed at 11:30 every day. Redeem Ethereum after the mainnet launch of ET2. The users can convert their BET to ET at a ratio of 1.1. Project highlights, stable returns, don't just hold, earn an additional 5 to 20% locking return. Low barriers to entry. OKEx will cover the spending on ET 2.0 nodes and maintenance, so users can participate with just 0.1 Ethereum, as we already mentioned, contribute to ET upgrade, witness the upgrade of Ethereum mainnet, and flexible exit policy. The holders can sell their BET anytime. So that's pretty nice. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.